Let us learn the word congregation. Congregation can be used as a verb or noun. A congregation is a group of people who are gathered together for a common purpose, such as a religious service or meeting. It can also refer to the members of a particular church or religious organization. For example, a congregation might refer to the group of people who attend a weekly church service or the group of people who belong to a particular church. Congregate can be used as a verb to describe the act of gathering together. For example, someone might say, "People congregated in the park for a picnic." This means that a group of people gathered or assembled in a park to have a picnic. Here are a few examples of how the word congregation can be used in different sentences. The congregation sang hymns during the church service. The pastor greeted the congregation as they entered the sanctuary. The congregation at the church was a mix of young and old, with people of different backgrounds and beliefs. The congregation was asked to stand and pray together. The congregation was asked to donate money to support the church's mission work. She is an active member of small religious congregation in her town, and she knows almost everybody in the congregation. Synonyms of the word congregation are flock and assembly. Antonym of the word congregation is faction.